If you could put just 4 pieces of your body in balance, the 4 happy, feel-good hormones, you could live a great, centered, connected life. It's super easy. We have stress epidemics, anxiety epidemics, pain-related issues, depression, all of which are being solved by pills, being solved by drugs that force your body into a condition. But your body doesn't want that. Your body has a great system that regulates ourselves. It knows what to do. If you hug someone, your oxytocin goes up. If you just move your body, endorphins go up, dopamine goes up, your pain goes down, your stress goes down. It's all within our reach. Simple choices, simple behaviors, and our body knows what to do. We don't need antidepressants to dial serotonin up and down. We don't need Xanax to dial our anxiety up and down. Super easy. 4 hormones, simple choices, put them into balance. You could do it.